Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by powering off the device and removing the SIM tray first. Place the phone face down on a clean flat towel or magnetic mat. Gather required tools: a T3 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a 3/5 mm opening pick nearby. Put on an anti-static wrist strap if available. Clear a well-lit workspace and keep track of small screws in a container. Back up biometric data and photos before proceeding. Confirm you have a replacement fingerprint sensor compatible with your exact model number. Use the T3 screwdriver to remove 6 exterior screws securing the back panel. Insert the 3/5 mm opening pick at the seam and gently slide around to loosen adhesive. Lift the back panel with a plastic spudger and avoid bending the glass. Locate the fingerprint sensor module and note its flex cable routing. Use the spudger to lift the small connector straight up and disconnect the flex cable carefully. Remove any adhesive pads and lift the old sensor straight up from its recess. Place the replacement fingerprint sensor into the recess and align it precisely. Reconnect the flex cable by pressing the connector flat until it clicks into place. Replace any adhesive strips or use a thin 1 mm double-sided tape for a secure seal. Reseat the back panel, ensuring clips align before you press it down. Reinstall the 6 exterior screws with the T3 screwdriver and avoid over-tightening. Power the device on and enroll 3 different fingers to verify sensor accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.